Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Hope you're having a great day. Today I wanted to share my experience about the creating deliveries and textures and designs for every different aircrafts from the different companies through the pictures, like working with the Substance Painter, Blender and Unity. So basically I think this video is gonna be like also a tutorial and also sharing an experience. So this was like my first time actually like trying Substance as a real thing, as a real business. So I was like, I did try it before, but like just as an experience, just as like a training or practicing or just trying for the first time. But in this time, I actually could be able to design. As you can see, this whole textures has been designed in the Adobe Substance Painting, the software, which I'm going to show you in a bit. So yeah, I just designed first. I also forgot to mention I also used the Adobe Illustrator because I had to design like these fonts, specific fonts that every livery of a flight or aircraft or company had, especially like these logos, because I needed to like make sure it's gonna be almost close to it, but yet like I designed it with the mouse. So I did not have a pen or something. So yeah, sometimes you might see like glitches like this, but that doesn't really matter because it really they really didn't want it so much details. This is already too much. All they needed is to just a view, like this flight is gonna be very far view like this. They just needed to like see a bunch of pixels and stuff to see like, yeah, that's a Jazeera livery, for example. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so you basically have your model, your 3D model, right? So you have it in the Blender, perhaps. You having it in a Blender, and you also must have a good designed and fixed UVs for your model. Okay. You know what is a UV? UV is like, I think I shouldn't have removed that cube to show you as an example. This isn't my cube, right? So when I go to the tab UV editing in the Blender, you see this is the UV. It shows which part of the texture or the image should be shown on which segment or polygon in the 3D model, in the 3D view. So this is the simplest way I think I can explain. So if I like change, if I select this one, this is where the spot of the picture is going to show, and if I change, if I like try to move one of these, perhaps it's gonna like change the view of the picture of the texture I have in here. I don't have it right now, but if I have it, it's gonna change it like the position of the picture in over this 3D view, 3D polygon. So that's the UV. All right. So I have my my aircraft model, right? So let's just pick one of the aircraft models just as fast as possible. I think this one would be a good example. So this is our model right over here. We just go to here and then copy the address, go to Blender, we just say import our FBX model into the address, and there it is. That's our model right over there, and yeah, this is our model. We got it over here. So this model has definitely UVs. So because I've fixed it before, I've designed it, and it's on UV editing. If we go over here, there you go. It's not a very professional UV designing. It's just I just used it through this tool, the Smart UV project. I'm using it because it's hard to like do it every single segment, to like design every single segment on this part, and it's gonna be like taking a huge amount of time. So I'm like, if my UVs are like be corrupted like this, okay, like if it's gonna be a really unreadable or even very bad, which is it's not right. So I'm just gonna like, you know, select all of it and then say UV smart, and yeah, there you go. Now we have it. Except there's also had some, yeah, I think I've change something. Scale to bones. Yeah, that's what I checked before, I guess, which is it fit all over here because I wanted to make sure it takes all of the spaces in the texture. So that's it. So first of all, make sure your UV is actually is set, ready to go to paint on it. If your UV is not fixed, then you're probably not gonna expect when you're like painting on it on the Substance Painter software. You're not gonna expect, okay, I'm painting on this side of the aircraft. It's not painting. It's gonna paint like somewhere else. So yeah, that's one thing. And the second thing is the materials. You need to make sure you're managing the materials of your model. So what you need to do, for example, in this one I have door outlines and main body. So this is just for this part of the model, okay? If I go to this wings, if I select the wings, you see we have the wings or engines. We have different material for engines. We have different material for glasses, for every single part of the object I have in my scene. So that's it. I'll make sure for all of them have a different separated wings, materials and UVs. So yeah, if I like go for UVs and the wings, UVs are different. If I go for the engine, it's different. So how to assigning one little tip that how you actually like you need to like assign your, for example, you want to say, okay, I want this material to be for the body. All you need to do, go to edit mode, select all or do part of these segments, and do segments that you want to. For example, you can just select a few of them, you know. But you just select all of them if you want to, and then you just say you add your material, and then you just assign, hit the assign. That's it. I don't want to ruin it right now, or it doesn't really matter, I guess. Let's just choose it. Yeah, for example, this material, and then assign to it. You see, even its color is just changed. So yeah, that's it. That's our model is ready to go, and now we just go to opening our Substance software. So in Substance, it's easy. You just go to the new project. You just add a new project. You just oh yeah, the template. I use the Unity HDRP template because it was giving me the exact thing that I needed: the masks, the normal maps, everything that I needed. So you can also use this one as well, but also you can change it in the like after this. You can also even able to like change it. So your resolution can be 4K, 2K. I really do not mess around with these a lot. I know like who use the UV tile workflow what they do, but I really don't really, that really doesn't matter. The only thing it was important to choose your file. You would just selecting your file, and then you hit the OK, and then you had it, and there you go. You have all of your materials over here. All the materials you assigned is over here. And there was a it's been a long time I haven't used this software because I've designed it, I think it was last year I've designed these all aircrafts and designs. Currently I'm working on visual effect and rain and shadow and raining, snowing, hills, the weather system, you know. So but yeah, if you if you press this one, you just see that which material is actually connected to which part of the segments of the body. Like this is the body, right, and this is the wings. Easy peasy. And if you select both of them, yeah, you can also uncheck as well in here as well. So yeah, it's working. Show all. That's it. So you just paint. How do you paint? Well, you need to like work with the masks. It's absolutely look like Photoshop. If you worked with the Photoshop, it's gonna be so understandable and easy for you in the software as well. Okay, so what do? You just make layers. You add white and black masks, and you also add fill and stuff. Okay, so this is the main body, right? Here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a fill. Oh, I added 2 by accident. Okay, we have a fill. fill layer, and now what I'm gonna do, I can just change its color. You see I completely change its color, and I'm just choosing the color, and then I say add a black mask. What the black mask does, you can just mask it now. You can just draw, you can say, okay, I want this layer to be only this part of the mesh. Okay, easy peasy. That's how I did it. So how did I then design these names, like these words and logo, right? Okay, so here comes the mask alphas. Like if I remember, yeah, it was the alpha. You could just change it to the alpha. You see, if I change it here, it's easily just changes. So I realized, oh, that's great. So I can actually design my own alpha texture and then add it over here. And then, for example, like this. This is the one I've added myself. This is one of the airport models, and easy peasy. There you go. We had it like that. It was so easy to like just doing it. All I needed to do to design this alpha thing in Illustrator through a picture, I was just googling, okay, this company's aircraft and livery's name, and then the logo was popping up. I think I have it already right over here. If I'm going to my folders, if I go to my pictures, and then if I go to Illustrator right over here, where it is, yeah, some paint, there it is, the alphas. These are the ones I've designed. These are the ones I've actually designed, as you can see. So yeah, all the logos, all the names, everything is being designed, and then easily adding over here. Okay, how you adding? I think you just come over here and import resources, and then you drag them over here like this. Okay, and you define them as alpha. That's it. And then you import. So yeah, this is how it designed completely. So you need just need to relax, chill, have your tea or coffee, and then just enjoy it. And it to be honest, I really liked this thing, like just designing and painting. It was very fun. It was actually the most enjoyable thing I've ever done for the whole full stack developing. After like coding, designing, the two things that I really liked, it was like this texturing and modeling and stuff, and the UI designing. That was the only thing I really enjoyed. And yeah, after that you just export it. You just have it as export textures, and then an output. You have all of it. You see, you have emissive, mask map, base map, and normal map for every single material. And yeah, that's it. You also can check what material you want. You maybe just want the main body and wings materials, not the rest, so you don't waste the space and storage. And yeah, we also have like so many presets over here for even Unreal Engine and Unity HDRP. And oh yeah, this is the preset I've made myself, I guess. I don't really remember why, but yeah, this is also the other one. But yeah, also let me show you that the previews design I had, for example, the Jazeera Reveille. Let's see that. Okay, the scroll, I don't want that to save that. Yeah, there it is. You have it. You designed. This is what I've like spent. I think I spent an hour for it, I guess, or less than an hour, I guess. I really don't remember, but I was enjoying it. I was just listening to song and just painting. That's all. So yeah, there is also this button that I was going there, and I warm up, and it was rendering it. It was great. So I could just easily, yeah, see it in the good and high quality with the highlighting, and yeah, to show it to the manager and tell him like, yeah, this is how it's gonna look. And when they saw it, they was like, oh, that's great. That's not bad at all. It's even more than they thought, because they just wanted to a really little design. They don't really go this much close to the models in the simulation software. This is for the ATC Tower simulation software project. You can also like see the review I already uploaded in the YouTube. So yeah, and after that you have your textures and materials all over here. There it is. This is the materials, the mask map as well, and easy. It's very easy to like design these liveries. But there's more than this. You can also design like the whole ground. You can make it like you can make this part to be like have some drop water over there. You can make that part to be dry or wet, and it's just it gives you so much options in the Substance Painter software. It is very useful software for those people who actually like looking for having a simple textures or simple designing textures and stuff. It's a very good software to like work with. So yeah, I guess that's it for now. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I helped, and some people actually figure out now what they need to do. So have a great day and take care. See you in the next video.